brace yourself for the real shocker here, is €0. Yep, that is the monthly production run cost for this live, continuously updating 60 frames per second 3D news globe. It rounds down to roughly zero. In a technology landscape where insane infrastructure costs regularly kill early-stage experiments before they ever even find their footing, this number is just almost unbelievable. Let's break down exactly how they achieved that $0 run cost, because it's absolutely brilliant. First up, the heavy 3D rendering of the globe, that actually happens client-side. So that means your computer is doing the heavy lifting right in the web browser, not some remote server that charges by the request. Second, that autonomous trend engine we just talked about, it runs on owned compute hardware. So the marginal cost to keep the whole system analyzing and pinning news is literally just the electricity required to power the machine. There is no metered cloud server bill ticking up every single time someone spins the globe. And the origin story makes this even wilder. Stenvik didn't start as some massive, heavily funded software project. Actually, scratch that. It was essentially just a throwaway experiment. It began as a Claude design prototype, literally just a news globe demo, built by a non-developer using Agentic AI. You know, AI tools that can execute tasks independently. It was the exact kind of prototype you usually admire once and then completely forget about. But because the cost of trying it out was almost nothing, this cheap little experiment was able to graduate straight into a production environment without needing a huge team or massive rebuild the world budget. And this